Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is we're going to tell whether each ordered pair is a solution of the given inequality. Right, yes, if it's a solution, and no, if it's not a solution. So without further ado, let's do this topic. So I will give you 5 examples class for you to really understand this one class. And we'll be answering this one class step by step. Once again class, if this video helps, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, you will know, class, if the ordered pair is a solution on this given inequality if you substitute the value of x and then you substitute the value of y. You plug in this value in this given inequality. If it says true, therefore, class, the ordered pair is a solution. Let me just explain that one, class. So, these are the given ordered pairs. Of course, we know, class, the given ordered pairs, there would be x and y, right? The ordered pair, it's always x and y. X comes first before y. So therefore, the value of x, that would be positive 2. The value of y, that would be positive 3. Now, when you plug in this value, class, in this given inequality, the answer, class, it says true. Therefore, class, this ordered pair is a solution. Let me give you example, class. When you plug in this value, the inequality, class, it says 3 less than 5. 3 is less than 5. Is it true, class, that 3 is less than 5? Yup, 3 is less than 5, right? That would be true, right? This is true. Therefore, class, if this is true, when you plug in this value, x and y, therefore, class, this ordered pair is a solution in this given inequality. Let's have example number 1, class, for you to really understand this one. Let's try example number 1, class. So, given example number 1, we have x minus y is less than 8. Once again, the value of x, that would be 2. The value of y, that would be 3, right? Simply substitute this value in this given inequality. The value of x, once again, the value of x, that would be 2. Copy minus sign, the value of y, that would be 3. Once again, class, simply substitute this value. X is 2, and then y is positive 3. Do not forget to copy minus sign. And then copy is less than, and then 8. Now, 2 minus 3. What's the answer, class? That's correct. That would be negative 1. 3 is greater than 2. Subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now, 3 is greater than 2. We copy the sign of 3. That would be negative 1 is less than 8. Now, question, class. Is this true? That negative 1 is less than 8? Is that true, class? Yup, that would be true. This is true, class. Therefore, class, this given ordered pair is a solution because this is true. The statement, class, is true that negative 1 is less than positive 8. Therefore, this is true. Therefore, this given ordered pair is a solution. So, this is a solution. Therefore, class, our answer is yes. If it is a solution, you write yes. Therefore, our answer is yes. Yes, for example, number 1, because this given ordered pair is a solution in this given inequality. Easy as that, class, with regards to example number 1. Alright, so let's proceed now to example number 2. Alright, so example number 2, our given, we have 3x plus 2y is greater than 4. So, we have given ordered pair. Once again, class, x comes first before y. This is x. So, x is negative 2 and then y is positive 6. Simply substitute the value of x and y. Now, once again, class, if you have 3x, it means 3 times x. If you have a number together with a variable, it means, class, multiplication. So, this is 3 times x. So, copy 3. The value of x, that would be negative 2. So, this will be 3 times negative 2. Question, sir, where did you get negative 2? That would be the value of x. That would be negative 2. Copy 3. If you have 3x, it means multiplication. So, 3 times negative 2. Copy plus sign. Copy 2. So, 2y, it means 2 times y. The value of y, that would be 6. So, 2 times positive 6. Alright. So, it's greater than 4. So, 2 times positive 6 greater than 4. Simplify this one. 3 times negative 2. Positive times negative is negative. 3 times 2 is 6. Once again, class. Positive 3 times negative 2. That would be negative 6. Copy plus sign. And then 2 times 6. That would be 12. And then copy greater than 4. Combine this one. Negative 6 plus 12. Unlike signs, if the signs are not the same, you're going to subtract. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now, 12 is greater than 6. We copy the sign of 12. That would be positive 6. Once again, class, unlike sign, subtract, and then copy the sign of the larger number. So, this will be positive 6 is greater than 4. Is it true, class, that positive 6 or 6 is greater than 4? Is it true, class? Yup, that would be true. So this is true. The statement is true that 6 is greater than positive 4. Therefore, class, this given ordered pair is a solution in this given inequality. Therefore, class, our answer is yes. Alright, easy, right? For example number 2. So let's proceed now to example number 3. So very easy, right, for this one. Just do it step by step, class. I'm sure it's very easy to answer this one if you do it step by step. So given number 3, we have 3x minus y is greater than 5. Alright, so the value of x, that would be positive 3. The value of y, that would be positive 4. Alright, simply substitute the value of x and then the value of y. So copy 3. Once again, if you have 3x, it means 3 times x. The value of x, that would be 3. So 3 times 3. Copy minus sign. And then copy the value of y, that would be 4. Once again, class, if you have y, just simply copy. Copy minus sign. And then the value of y, that would be 4. Simply substitute the value of y, that would be 4, is greater than 5. Alright, so we have multiply this one, 3 times 3. What's the answer, class? That's correct. That would be 9. Copy minus sign. And then copy 4. Copy greater than and then 5. So subtract that 1. 9 minus 4. What's the answer, class? That's correct. That would be 5 is greater than 5. Now, question, class. Is 5 greater than 5? Once again, class, 5 is greater than 5. Is it true, class, that 5 is greater than 5? Nope, 5 is not greater than 5. 5 should be equal to 5. It's not greater than, class. 5 should be equal to 5. So, therefore, class, this statement is not true. This is false. So, this is false. Therefore, class, this given ordered pair is not a solution in this given inequality. Once again, class, 5 is not greater than 5. This is false, class. Okay, this is not true, class. The statement is not true. Therefore, class, our answer is no. Alright, so let's proceed now to example number 4. Alright, so let's have example number 4. Our given, we have 2x minus 3y is less than 0. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so 2x, it means 2 times x. So 2, copy 2, the value of x. The value of x, that would be 2. And then the value of y, that would be positive 1. So 2 times the value of x, that would be 2. Minus, copy 3. 3 times y, so the value of y, that would be 1. So 3 times 1 is less than 0. Alright, so 2 times 2, what's the answer, class? That's correct, that would be 4. Minus 3 times 1, that would be 3. Is less than 0. Alright, so subtract this one. 4 minus 3. What's the answer, class? That's correct. That would be 1 is less than 0. Alright, now question, class. Is 1 is less than 0? Once again, class, 1 is less than 0. Is that true, class, that 1 is less than 0? Nope, that is not true. That is false, class. 1 is not less than 0. 1 is greater than 0, class. Therefore, class, this statement is not true. That would be false. Once again, class, this is false. Alright, so this is false. Therefore, class, our answer is no. This given ordered pair is not a solution in this given inequality. Alright, so last example, class. Example number 5. Alright, so let's have example number 5. Our given, we have x is greater than or equal to negative 6 plus 5y. Alright, so once again, the value of x, that would be 6, positive 6. The value of y, that would be positive 2. Simply substitute the value of x, so that would be 6, is greater than or equal to, copy negative 6. Once again, if you have 5y, it means 5 times y. So copy plus sign, copy 5. The value of y, that would be positive 2. Alright, so simplify this one. So copy 6, copy greater than or equal to, copy negative 6. Copy plus sign, 5 times 2, that would be 10. Alright, so simplify this one, combine this one. So copy 6 is greater than or equal to negative 6 plus 10. Unlike signs, you need to subtract. We have positive 10, negative 6, subtract. Unlike signs, 10 minus 6 is 4. Now 10 is greater than 6. We copy the sign of 10. That would be positive 4. Now, question, class, is this true, class? That 6 is greater than or equal to positive 4? Once again, class, if you have this symbol, class, this is greater than, or equal to. Now, once again, class, if you have this word or, it means, class, you choose either of these two, class. Once again, class, you can choose, class, either of these two. Either of these two, class, you can have equal to, you can have greater than. Okay, once again, class, do it step by step, class. Is 6 equal to 4? Once again, class, this is greater than or equal to 4. First question, class. Is 6 equal to 4? Is 6, class, equal to 4? Nope, that's not true. 6 is not equal to 4. This is not true, class. 6 is not equal to 4. 6 is not equal to 4, class. Once again, class, 6 is not equal to 4. This is false. Now, second question, class. Is 6 greater than 4? Second question, class. Is 6 is greater than 4? 6 is greater than 4. Is that true, class, that 6 is greater than 4? Yup, that would be true, class. 6 is greater than 4. Therefore, class, the statement is true. Once again, class, you have greater than or. You have this word or, so therefore, class, you can choose either of these two. If you have less than or equal to, if you have greater than or equal to, you can choose, class, either of the two, class. So we have greater than or equal to. So 6 is greater than, we have this one. The statement is true, therefore, class, this is true. Okay, this is true. Therefore, our answer is yes. A big yes with regards to example number 5. Alright, so once again, class, you will be asking questions. Sir, 6 is not equal to 4. That's correct. 6 is not equal to 4. This is not true. This is false. But we have or, class. We have this word or. So therefore, class, we can choose either of these two. Now, 6 is greater than 4. Once again, class, 6 is greater than 4. That would be true. That's why, class, our answer is true because we can choose either greater than or equal to. So therefore, this given ordered pair is a solution in this given inequality. Once again, class, I hope it's clear for you, class, with regards to example number 5. If you have less than or equal to, if you have greater than or equal to, you can choose, class, either of these two. You can have less than or equal to, you can have greater than or equal to. You can choose, class, either of these two. Alright, now how about you try this one, class, and then you put your answer on the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand our topic. So you determine, class, if this given ordered pair is a solution in this given inequality. And then you put your answer, class, on the comment section down below. Once again, class, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.